Today's the day. It's a culmination of 29 years of manufacturing experience, during which time I earned 4 different degrees, going to school nights and weekends. And then I made a transition to higher education, where I teach a wide variety of business courses that mostly are related to how do you do this in a sustainable manner. 5.5 years I spent as a dean. And then the last couple of years, I did that crazy thing called write a book. And what I did was I looked at what is it that companies need to do to be more environmentally and socially responsible, but can we do this in a manner that actually makes sense? And so what I found is several different manufacturing exemplars that I highlight, and then also looked at the research. And what the research tells us is that this can be done. And so I want to share with you an advanced copy of what this book looks like. Here it is. Humanist Manufacturing, a humanitarian approach to excellence and high-impact plant operations. Now, again, the reality is any business can use this information, but the examples are those manufacturing exemplars that I talked about. And I wondered, why don't more people do what these people are doing? If they can make, this work, why aren't more people doing it? Well, what I found is that we have all kinds of books about different business topics, but we don't have one that kind of ties it all together. And so what I did in this book was I do that. I look at what does the manufacturing leader or owner of a company have to do to transition themselves to be prepared to be the kind of leader that can create this desirable company. And then we walk through the various steps that what's it take to have a strong vision, mission, and values that and purpose, that the people, that why that Simon Sinek talks about that will draw you high quality people. What does it take to set up an operation that will be successful in creating desirable products that actually are affordable, but yet don't harm the environment or the people that use them? And then ultimately, what do we got to do to create this such that our employees can be successful in taking care of our wide variety of stakeholders? And when we look at this, we don't look at just internal stakeholders. We also look at what do we got to do to be more responsible in our external operations as well. What do we have to do to be a better citizen in our neighborhood, in our region, and collectively can we do this across the country, the world? And so what this book does, again, is that A to Z, here we are today, here's where we really want to be tomorrow. And so here's the various steps that can allow that to happen. So I'm really looking forward to this book launching in January of 2023. And so I'm excited about it. I hope that you will be excited about it as well. And maybe you'll buy a copy. And with that, thanks. And let's see where this all goes.